Alright, today I want to talk about the Defy DAC622. It's a fridge and freezer combo. It's tall. It's much taller than the normal size. And on the side, alright, so with the plastic off, you basically lift the polystyrene protection. And there it goes. Kind of see the. I have to take this guy off here. So when we open the fridge, you basically have, okay, there's your control, temperature control, and then one shelf, two shelves, and three, you can adjust it, and obviously that's your defrost. And then you have the normal egg, sorry, not the, that's the egg holder. Sure, obviously you can place it here, and then this is the ice block. This is like your ice block. And of course, lastly but not least, you have your manual, and there's also the to string the energy. So as I said, a tech looking at about 360 kilowatt per year, and it's A plus. So that can go out. I'm not too sure what this guy's for. And then you, of course, you get to the freezer. And that's got something blocking it. So we've got 1, 2, 3. So basically, it's one there. No, not too bad size. And then of course, this one opens like this, and you can put quite a bit in it. Yeah, obviously the doors are interchangeable, so you obviously can put it either that way, opening that way, or you can open it going this way. Yeah, but yeah, there we go. There's the Defy DAC622 fridge and freezer combo.